to help Adam. You need to help him get her down.
Dad! Jonathan, not throwing sandwiches. Please, please, please.
Don't throw this.
Now you'll get used to it.
Well, every time I go, you're standing like this.
You guys, 3 guys and 1 girl got you all.
Hey, Adam, no. Don't.
Oh, let me see that again. I missed the muscle.